But that was really loud. Hey, hello. Hey, Cider. Hello to the other people watching as well. I haven't come in the chat yet. Today. Hey, Terexy, how you doing? Today we doing disco boats. Is what we're doing. So if I go back to here, there we go. Oh, that's just the Discord server now. And then everyone. Hi Farquaad, sorry about that, Cider. Wait, there we go. This is the screen I originally wanted to start with, but never mind, it's fine. Yeah, a few things to quickly mention before we get into it. The grape reward is turned back on. I have grapes here. I also do need to get water, I've just realised, for the hydrate one. Secondly, of course, this is the first stream we're using Windows and not Linux. So, yeah, but we are using WSL, obviously. And thirdly, as Farquaad just alluded to, there isn't any stream overlay at all this time. Last time there just wasn't the face cam. Today there's no stream overlay at all, because OBS's backup system is dog, and didn't back anything up. And I didn't have time to recreate all the overlay and everything before we start. I literally just did the stream intro now. Thank you, Jax, by the way, for subscribing once again. Yeah, that's why there's no face cam today. It was only a 1.5 hour stream, so I didn't really see much of a point in putting one on. But I will quickly get some water before we get going, and then we will start where we left off. There you go. Cool, I got some water. Now I can be hydrated. Oh my god. Put the face cam in the corner. I'm too OCD for that. It needs a border. Otherwise I will just die of OCD. Pretty much. But yeah, as you can see, we are currently in WSL. I already do have the thing open, so we actually don't really need that. Oh, we need the bot. We need the Twitch bot. That's a point. CD data. Oh, God's sake. Oh, is it? No, it's... Okay. So I think it's already been cloned in. It has. But the database might actually be reset. I don't know. Yeah, that would. If I put a purple box behind it, I might as well just reset up the entire thing. Oh, it needs poetry, and poetry isn't installed. You're not getting the bot this stream either. Default. Well, I'm using the same configuration that I had for Starship or whatever it was. But yeah, I haven't bothered changing up the terminal any, to be honest. Welcome, Rekna, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So your name is Grey for some reason on my thing, which is hopeless. How could I ever read that? I did use Power Level 9K, but I ditched that a while ago. I think I ditched that about 3 months ago or something. Bot was no for... What? Oh, the bot... The bot... No, the bot was on the last... It was on the last stream, and it was on the stream before that, I think. It's... yeah, you're not really getting much. This is kind of... sort of a new setup. So I've really kind of been setting up for videos and stuff, and I kind of forgot about the streams, to be honest. Whoops. But yeah, this is the plan I currently have. So you have the episode number, you have the topic. Obviously it's not done, but I think before it was like up to about here. But I've realised recently that I need to put cooldowns on there somewhere. Time passed. What? What's that? I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that. So I guess we'll put it here. I mean, the shutdown doesn't really need cooldowns, but like it just, I feel as though it would be a little better to put it there. So it needs episode 8. So the columns are, you know, whether the episode has been planned, whether the episode has been recorded, and this last one is what episodes that particular episode kind of requires you to do first. So for example, if I just mess with all this, so for example, command checks need episode 8, which is adding commands, but episode 8 needs episode 7, which is creating extensions and plugins, but episode 7 needs episode 3. So it's basically me just making sure that I've definitely got everything in the right order this time. Because last time, as it transpired, I didn't. So yeah. But this is the same bot as before. I've already installed all the stuff. So we could just kind of get into it. I don't really know what was next. Get the release version. No, it's still on Dev 100. We're just kind of screwing around with, well, specifically Dev 101 as it is. But the release version is expected in the January of 2022. So yeah. Sure, Jax. I can go Carberra right now too, so if you want to see a reference. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I think John was working on one as well. So yeah. Yeah, there are quite a few people that have switched kind of ever since the servers sort of switched over. I don't know. I don't actually know what we've done and what we haven't. It's been a little while. What's in the bot? So we've configured the scheduler. We've got the guild only thing that we may or may not need in the series. I don't know. We've got our activity. We've got the starting events and everything. I wonder if this has been fixed yet. So I can't remember which one was broken. Whether using the shutdown command or Control C was broken. Here we've got all that. The error stuff I'm pretty sure is fine as it is at the moment. The admin stuff I'm also pretty sure is fine because I got around to that in the end. And I think the meta, were we working on the meta? I think we were. Yeah, we were. It looks as though we were in the middle of it. Hey Unicorn, how you doing? Oh yeah, there's our ping command. So it looks, yeah, it looks like we kind of got there. Redeem to hydrate. There you go. I'll try and make it audible so you can hear it. There we go. I'll just breathe a lot of that in. Oh no. Yeah, overlay and face can be back for next stream. Don't worry about that. Repo, you got, it's, if you go to the Carberra GitHub, it's Hikari testing. It is fully up to date. God damn it, Jax. There we go. Okay, so user info. How far do we get in the user info? I don't actually know. So it'd be Python -00 and then launcher.py. Whoops, it is. And I'm going to presume, yeah, 0.99 seconds. Nice. So if you go, what is it? It'd be that. No, it wouldn't. It'd be that. Okay, yeah, wow, we didn't do an awful lot. Fair enough. Self-muted, that's a big F. Yeah, there's not a huge amount there at the moment. So I guess we will work on that. Okay, so we've got... Cool, I see. So, what stuff do we actually want? Let's have a look at Solaris's. Oh, still the video's ping on getting. And then, okay, so we have quite a lot of stuff there, actually. I guess we'll just go through the Hikari docs and see what's there, to be honest, and just kind of build one when Firefox actually decides it's going to load. Oh, it is loaded. I keep doing that. Oh my god. Hikari docs. Boop, beep, beep. I got, what is it? It's like member or something, isn't it? Is it still member in this? Or is it guild member? Oh no, it is still member. There we go. Cool. There's just so much stuff. Avatar hash avatar created at. Oh yeah, we have the created at. Okay, I'm gonna make like a list of things. Whoops. So we have the created at. We have the discriminator. We have the display name, but I don't know if we're gonna do anything with that. We have. I don't know how complicated I want to get because I kind of want to start planning for the series now. Which do you like, Pop? I prefer Windows to Pop OS overall. Pop OS looks prettier, but Windows just functions better. Guild ID, we don't need that. Is bot, that'd be good to have. Oh, the ID, that would probably also be a good one to have. Is deaf, is mute, is pending, and the user has passed the Guild's membership screening requirement. Oh, that's a cool one. I don't think Discord.by has that. Is system, we don't need that. Joined at, that's one we do want. The most elaborate thing ever. Oh, there is Solaris's one for that. Oh, this uses nickname instead of Nick. That's a little bit better. Premium synths. I mean, I will try and cover as much of it as possible, I suppose. So I guess cache presence. Huh. Okay, so it's presence, not activity. Interesting. Role IDs, roles. Do we want that? I think that's quite a common want, really, isn't it? Sure. We've got the top role as well, so we may use that. User and a username, and that's it. Okay. Very big in the cache. Yeah, probably. So, okay. So we'll start with... I guess we'll start with the ID. And we'll go... what is it? It'd be ctx dot... Oh, it'd be just target. Target.id. Inline equals false for this. We want that to just be on one line. And we want to add another field. Name equal... I love this syntax. Oh, we got another hydrate. Here we go. Oh my god. Water. Indeed. Whoops. And then value equals target.discriminator. And then we want that inline equals true for that one. Dot add field. Name equals... Do we want display name? We might do, I don't know. Is bot. Wait, is there not like a... Oh, I think is admin is different. Thank you... oh god. Sino by Offsec? Is that how you say it? I don't know. Thanks for the follow though. I mean, whoa! Oh no, what? I just saw the wall and immediately became Crash Bandicoot. It's fine. Also, why have I called it like that? There you go. Target dot is bot inline equals false. Oh, equals false. Oh, we got one for grape as well. Got a grap. Oh, I've got to open the box. Ooh, I just realised my nails are now grape coloured. I didn't actually realise that. There we go. Oh no, they're a bit darker. Whatever. It's fine. There we go. I don't know if you heard that, but that's the most ASMR you're getting. Until, of course, I hit 100 patrons, which I haven't forgotten about. That's not going to happen for like 10 years. But, there you go. That was the deal I made with people, and that's what I'm sticking to. Joined... I probably won't create that first, actually. Do we? How did we get the administrator out of Solaris? I don't remember. Oh yeah, it's not one of my pin repos anymore, is it? There it is. Solaris would be bots, and then it'd be cogs, and it'd be meta. Would it be meta? I think it would be. I don't really know why this is in the meta cog, actually, to be honest with you, because it's not really meta. It doesn't have anything to do with self. I'm presuming there was some sort of target.guild permissions. I don't know if we even have that, do we? Oops, I did the wrong thing there. Do we have guild permissions? We don't directly, so it's gonna presumably be it's gonna presumably be in a snowflake, I guess. Oh, no, because we want to actually construct the guild from it, wouldn't we? So we'd want, we'd want a guild out of the ID. And then, oh my god. We'll leave that for now. We'll come back to that. I don't know what I can put on this third line, though. Or what I can put in this third column. Because Discriminator and Bot are both really short. ID is really long, and Create that's going to be long. And I kind of want those to be on the same line. There isn't really a lot here, is there? Mind you, I don't know how much of Solaris's one is just me doing stuff. Oh, there's the number of roles. That could work, yeah. To add field name number of roles. We'll just leave it simple. Value equals len target dot roles. Play and win for different versions. I just used the standard built-in venv. Oh, hello. Converting failed for argument target. What did you try and put in? Oh, it's a role. I see. Huh, that's an interesting one. Got 62k channel points. What? 14. It's only showing 9 on my end. It is actually 14. Hello, everyone. So roles don't. So now, and that's not handled in the. God's sake. It's fine. It's fine. Is it? Yeah. It's a converter failure. So we need to go and handle that in the error then. Yeah, it's 12 on my end as well. It just flies around all over the place. It sort of does count as a role. Sort of. I think technically yes, but there's some weird stuff with it. So what have we got? We've got from lightbulb import errors, commands, not enough arguments, command invocation, too many arguments. So I guess it'd be here, something like here then. If is instance event dot exception errors dot converter failure. Then return. I don't know how generic this error is though. Context.respond. Tell me the guild ID role score. Oh, interesting. I don't actually know what this error has. Converter. Can I get into the source code for this? There we go. It just takes a command error. Self.text. The error text. Okay. Oh, this is doc stringed variables. Interesting. It's not often you see that. I only learned this as a thing about 3 or 4 days ago, to be honest. So text. Would it just be like event.exception.text then? Maybe, I don't know. Let's try. Oh yeah, Twitch does appear to be broken. UI tutorial and then get the roll up. Converting failed for argument target, and it still tried to do it, unless it was for you. Oh, I spot discriminator wrong, that's my own fault. That's interesting. I'll have to come back to do the errors later properly, but yeah, for now we'll leave it at that. It's handled. Discriminator, that was my own fault. Okay, so created on and then that. So this is I think a date time object it comes out with. So target.created at .string format time. It'd be day, month, year. I don't actually remember what the long date is. What is the long date? Oh god damn you. Oh, it's a time delta from ISO. Is there not one to... Oh, no, here we go. DB, what? That's the one I want. Cool. And then... Oh, this one needs an inline. Actually, what is the default for inline? It's inline... The default is false. Okay, so we can actually get rid of these ones then. I'm pretty sure in Discord.py the default is true. Thank you, Out of Range Nico, for the follow. Do appreciate it. How to execute code when the program is about to exit. What do you mean? Yeah, it's weird. I've always kind of resented Discord.py for having it true by default. I don't know. Is it better? Who knows? Inline equals true. Add fields. I think it makes more sense to make it inline, to turn on the inline rather than turn it off manually. Joined on, and then value equals target.joined at .string format time. Oops, that was all the wrong characters. And then I don't know why that's a lowercase b for the full month name. I guess because M. I think M is already taken, but I don't remember what by. Because that's minutes. That's something else. I think that's the month, and then that's the long month, or something. I don't remember. Oh no, no, that one's minutes and that one's month. I don't know why it's B for like the full month, but oh well. And what else is there? There's premium since. Okay, that's another date, so we can have that on the same one. Boosted since, and then value equals target dot premium since dot string. Oh, I'm just gonna copy paste it. Gosh darn it. Oh, it's double dot there. God damn it. Inline equals true, and then dot add field. Whoa. Name equals. What have we got? So we've got the. I think it's just the presence and the roles to do. Presence, and then value equals target dot premium since dot string format time. What am I doing? I'm just copying the above line. It'd be target dot presence. Oh, you know what it'd be? It'd be. Actually, I want to see what the string for that is. Because I have a feeling it would just be the name. And if it is, I might do a PR. How to run a piece of code when the program is about to exit, manually exiting, not code exiting itself. How to run some piece of code when it's... You just run the program again after it's closed. I still don't really understand what you're talking about. Oh, I get you now. Yeah, you'd handle for the keyboard interrupt error. Sorry, value equals, and then we'll just have that dot join r dot mention for r in target dot roles, and we'll see if we can get away with generated comprehension there. I'm pretty sure that's everything that we want, at least for now. Whoops. UI. Nope. None type object has no attribute string format time. Oh, it can be a non. I don't know why I thought anything different, to be honest. Okay, so it'd be get attra target premium since, and then bollocks. That's not gonna work. Yeah, non-typers. Oh no, that will work. No, it will work. It's just gonna be weird. So we can get a string format time. Otherwise, we want a lambda of none, and then we want to call that. And that should work, I think. I guess we'll see. I'm also gonna make that kind of a bit nicer. That's gonna have to go like right down there. That in theory should function as I expect it to. But I don't actually know what it's going to come out as. I guess we'll see. Oh, broke. Lambda takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given. Oh yeah, because it's just a lambda. Oh no, yeah, we take lambda something or other. Lambda. Oh, and yeah. That should work, I think. Embed.from objects. This is probably, I don't know. To be honest, I'm not really a huge fan of fromdict, so. Okay, there we go. That actually worked. I'm genuinely astounded that did even work. Oh, I've done that wrong. Something is wrong here. Discriminate. Oh. Why is the bot not... What the hell? Okay. I don't know why I've done that. Like that. There we go. Also, the presence string is amazing. Gotta love that. I might put in a UI to fix that. Oh, sorry, a PR. Why is this at? What is this random at? Oh, I know what it is. That's the role that makes me white. I didn't give it a name. Oh, that's so confusing. Oh, I might have to go in and fix that real quick. I'll just do that. That's so confusing. All right. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's doing it backwards again. It's got to be... It needs to be reversed. I think that's correct, isn't it? That's the right one? Yeah. I don't know if reversed is better to use than dot reverse. Because reversed returns a new one and dot reverse does it in place, but I don't know which is faster. Guess there's only one way to find out. And that is by doing another random... What is that? Oh, yeah, because I opened one of the files in here, didn't I? Open that one, there we go. test.py. And then, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Technically wrong, yeah. So imports, I think it's import time it. And then you do time it.time it. It's like reversed. I for I in range 1,000 or something. And then number equals 10,000 or one. We'll leave it at 1,000, and then pretty sure this is gonna work, right? And then that will return a list, and then dot reverse. And then we'll see if that works, I suppose. Oh god, really? Gosh darn it. Python test.py. Okay, I'm gonna need more numbers here. Okay, it doesn't appear to make a difference. Yeah, it's the same thing. Pretty much. Okay, fair enough. That's a weird one. I wasn't actually expecting that. I think reversed. I think this is more standard. I don't know. Oh, that's a point actually. That might actually be faster. What the hell? I actually completely forgot about that. I don't know how. Oh, that seems consistently slower. Yeah, that is consistently slower. Interesting. Yeah, welcome to the stream, Max, by the way. How bizarre. I do want, if the number is high enough, is there like a big enough difference? I'm trying on 100,000. 2.1, 2.1, 2.2. It just seems to be increase the range. Yeah, that might be a shout. My computers, the fans have gone. But that should take maybe about. That might take 20 seconds each one actually. Ew. Hey Zesty, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm gonna abort this. Turn that down just a bit. 2.9, 2.2, 2.5. What's this? 2.9, 2.2, 2.5. It's consistent. The dot reverse is consistently the fastest. How odd. Okay, what about really small ones then? Because it seems that dot reverse is faster as it scales up, but is reverse faster for smaller ones? It makes no difference at all. So dot reverse is the one to use then. Oh, I increased the range from 1,000 to 10,000. Like 1 million. All right. That's 1 million. I'm also gonna turn down a number of iterations to 1,000 because this is going to take a little while. In the meantime, I'm going to swap it to reverse, to dot reverse though, because that does seem to be the fastest one. For at least for larger ones. I mean, you're not going to have 1 million rolls in the server, but you know, if it doesn't make a difference in smaller ones, but at scale it is slightly faster, you might as well just use it. While that's doing that, Oh, it's kind of the last thing we did. You know, while my poor old CPU, 35.9 seconds. Oh god, yeah. While my poor old CPU is trying to work that out, I'll run the bot again. Actually, no, I probably shouldn't because that will affect the speed, won't it? I guess we'll just wait. So, how's the weather where you are? Of course, we did a really long test in the stream that's only going to be an hour and a half long. Actually, a quick question. Actually, I'll put it in a poll. 35.1. That hasn't made a huge difference, actually. Where's the Twitch chat gone? There it is. How do I do a poll? Is it that one? Oh, go away, Twitch. I know my own Twitch rules. I wrote them. It is very marginally faster by the looks of things. Question: do people still want the web dev streams? And then give you like maybe 3 minutes. 43, but yeah, okay, so doing it like this is actually way slower. That's crazy. And then the dot reverse is very, very slightly faster. So we'll turn that off, because I want to do an actual like poll. And I'm curious, because the last one got really low views, and if people don't want me to do it anymore, then I won't do it. But ton of IDs wasted on everyone. Yeah, probably actually. Probably. We actually really want to do. Oops. Splice it so we don't have the everyone. Oh, I don't know. No. We don't want to do that again. And if we do the UI now, then, oh, none type is not iterable. Oh, because that doesn't return anything, does it? I forgot. So we need to do up to the last one if we want to get rid of everyone there. UI. Oh no, still none type. Oh, it doesn't return a new one. So you can't use it in list comprehension. Oh, we're going to have to use reverse then. Actually, it's probably better to slice it first. That'll make it very slightly faster. Yeah, because it does it in place, so you can't use it in list comprehension or anything. So all that testing was a waste. Mind you, we did find out that the list splicing like that is just a complete waste of time. Oh yeah, number of rows -1. That is a point as well. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, and then we got to fix the presence. Yeah, I will submit a PR to make this proper. Or to format that better. But for now, we will do add fields, name equals presence, and then value equals, and it's got to be, you know, target.presence.activity type. Oh, it'd be target.presence.name and then target.presence. Sorry, target.presence.type and target.presence.name, I think. We'll see. It's not. Member presence and no attribute type. Alright, back to the docs. Member presence, there we go. Presence.member presence. Activities. Oh, is it like a full... Oh, yeah, it's a list now, isn't it? Oh, because I've. You can assume the first activity is the one that. Okay. So it'd be, yeah, dot. Activities 0 type. And oh, God. Activities 0 name. What? Awful. Will you be doing type hinting in the series? Yes. It will be fully type hinted. So don't worry about that. And then, yeah, that's all we want for that. That is horrible. Come on, Alt Tab. There we go. Jesus, what the hell was that about? It didn't even Alt Tab the right window. Streaming Twitch. That's, oh my God, I got it even more for this. Actually, if it's an enum, will this even work? I don't think it will. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. So now I got to do a string. Jesus. There you go. Oh no, it's all. It's title. God, I hate working with presences in Discord. It sucks. It sucks in Discord to pine. It sucks here. There is probably a better way to do that though. And that would be... give me 1 second. Just F string like that, and then I got a grip, and then like that. That should work. Welcome, Mr. Spear, to the stream. There's a grape going, by the way. Hope you're doing okay. So, yeah, that should work. And that's more efficient. No, fine. Just do it like that. It's fine. I hate this. Hey! It's fine. It's fine. You'd think, yeah, I'm gonna have to submit a big old PR for that one. Oh, we got another grape. I think the timeout is only like a minute. Brown's nearly done. Nice. When Android stuff. When I get around to it. It's so soft. Oh, what did that poll come out as, by the way? Oh, it's gone. I didn't see the results of it. Did anyone see the results of the poll? 4-0, yes. Okay, cool. Thank you. I'm so unprofessional. Okay. So the web dev ones will keep going then, that's fine. Oh, we got to hydrate? Oh no. Oh no. I can see what's coming. Yeah, I don't know if you heard the swallow there. I have to put like my throat right up against the mic next time. Actually, would that work? I think it does. Yeah, I've done the grape and the hydrate now. So okay, cool. That's the PR done. Then. Actually, do people want me to continue doing this, or should I try and get the PR done now? Should I go into the Hikari source code and do that? Depends what people want. If people want me to just keep doing the bot, then we will. Get the PR done. Okay, we'll do the PR then. That means that this has got to go for now. And then that's got to go as well. I've got to go back into our WSL. Then we got to do CD programs, and then I have no idea what folders will go in. It'll go in the playground. Whoa, hello. And then git clone https://github.com/hikari/Hikari, I think it is. Yeah, there we go. That's the point. I can do a poll. I literally just did one. I already forgot. Slash poll. Or do library PR bot PR. Cool. And then I'll allow the additional votes for this one. You've got a minute to make your minds up. Oh, hang on. 10 and then 100. Okay, cool. There you go. For some reason it just reset everything. Brownies are done. Ooh, nice. Nice. I've set up the Venn for people doing that just in case people want me to actually do it. So I've got to do this anyway. So, so we want the 3.9 Venv. I don't know if there are any tests. I don't really remember. Oh no, I've done it in the wrong folder. CD Hikari. There we go. Oh my god, look at all this stuff. And then, are there any dev requirements? I don't know if there are. Oh, there are dev requirements. Fantastic. So Python 3.9 -m venv.venv. Is there a contributing.md? There is. Okay, cool. So let's read that first, I suppose. The PR does seem to be winning it quite a lot. Okay. So we'll load that up again. Yeah, the PR won massively. Okay, we'll do that then. We'll actually go into a library and try and fix stuff. I think you've taken time to improve car. It's greatly appreciated. Contribution guide. Okay, could have conduct actually followed or time breaking the code can lead to a ban from the project. Okay, that's fine. We like to keep consistently naming branches. It should be followed. Okay, cool. Sure. No issues when specific jobs run. Your merge request could be closed. The developer maintainer thinks it's risky due to pipelines failing. That's fair enough. Issue number is optional. Only if the issue exists and can be left out. Should be replaced with a description of the branch. So is it only tasks, features, and bug fix? I'm going to guess it is. For any commit that doesn't fall into any cases under. Okay, yes it is. Those three then. Oh, my boys are multiple votes. It's fine. Nox. We have some Nox pipelines. So I'm guessing just run the Nox then when you're done and make sure it works. Oh, it's Nox-L. I don't know what -L does. Okay, so pip install dev. Oops, we actually need the -r. And then this is bets on how many libraries this is going to install. Oh, it lints. I think Nox. Oh, hang on. Oh no, you can check all available. That's just list of commands. We recommend you to run Nox to run all important pipelines and make sure the pipelines won't fail. You may run a single pipeline Nox. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's not actually as many as I thought it was going to be. Oh, that is actually quite a lot. Yeah, that's not actually as much as I thought. Fine. Let's have a look at your brownies. Oh, that is just one gigantic brownie. That does look very nice though. Yeah, well, the moment you go into dev requirements, that happens. Like my latest project video it doesn't have quite this many, but it does have a lot. It does have a lot of them. So I guess we go in and just do codes and then boot it up and see what's here. I guess I trust the authors. So it'd be Hikari, it'll be presences, and then, okay, so we're in. Activity type. Oh, can you have... I don't know if you can have strings on enums. Enum, hang on, Python, enum, string. Can you have that? Support for enumerators. I don't know if it'll come up in the docs, to be honest. Would it be in the docs at all? Oh, you can have strings. Okay, fantastic. Enums are weird. They are very restrictive on what you can actually do. Def string. Oh, see, here's the problem. Self.value. Oh, you can just set that. Okay. So return self dot. God, I don't know what it'd be. Class dot happy. Would it be class dot describe? Oh, it'd be self dot name. So just be that. On the repr, we could probably put in a repr as well. Return. Do self. Actually, it's got to be string, doesn't it? Returns a string, and this also returns a string. Is it worth putting in like equals and stuff? Oh yeah, we've got to put dot title, haven't we? And then the repr, so you've got self.name and then self.value, I guess. Actually, it'd be actually, how have they done reprs elsewhere? Oh, this one. Oh, the activity has a string, self.name. Why didn't that work? Oh, and the member presence doesn't. By the looks of things, yeah, the member presence does. That's weird. The activity does, but the member presence doesn't. Okay, well, I might not put it on the activity then. Yeah, I might not put it here then. What we'll do instead is we will... Actually, does that... Oh, these are numbers. Oh, sorry, it's just a status. It has strings. Okay, the member presence, right. So def string, and then I guess we'll have mind you, the other one doesn't have a repr, so we'll just add the string. Return, and then we want okay. A equals activities 0. And I guess we'll see if this ends up getting accepted. Also, why is it returning none? It returns a string. Yeah. And also be, I think it'd be classed activities actually. Yeah, it'd be classed activities. Which, no, it'd be self.class.activities, I believe. I think. I'm pretty sure that's right. So it'd be a.name.title. Oh no, it'd be, yeah, a.name and then .title plus a dot, no, it'd be a.type dot title and then plus a.name. Sure. And the activity, I might change the activity to have the type as well. So I feel like most people are going to have the activity type 2 in it. So we'll do the same thing for here. Self.type dot no, it would be that and then dot title. And then it would be, then all we'd need is just, all we'd need then is just this, isn't it? Presumably. Because the rest of it would be handled all by itself. Because this, yeah, this takes the first activity, which is, you know, self.type or whatever. Do they normally doc string these things? Where have they got one that is? Oh no, this one was already doc. Okay, yeah, so they don't doc string with strings. That's fine. And we add that one in there. Yeah. Then we run Nox to see if it's all gonna. What do you mean Nox isn't? What? Did it not install Nox? No, it didn't. What? Why? Okay, so I'm gonna make a PR for the dev requirements as well. That it actually needs to like install Nox. Where are the dev requirements? They are here. I might make 2 separate PRs for this. Which means I'll have to clone it down separately, so we'll just leave that for now, but we will come back to it. Yeah, see, it installs PyTest, but it doesn't bother installing Nox. It's a testing thing. So it's got to go through. I don't know what versions of Python it's going through right now. Okay, so it's doing the black and everything. My word, this is... it's got a lot to do. Goodness gracious, they made a lot of tests. Damn. I don't know why there's just S's around. I think that might be the terminal going a bit weird. Oh, some of them failed. One failed. 2,765 passed. 53 skipped and 1 failed. Test activity string operator does not equal something. They actually asserted it? Oh, that means it was very, very intentional. It might be worth making a new method for it then, instead. If they're doing that. In the Discord. Do I have permission to delete the message? Yes. We generally do that. Just for the privacy's sake. It's still going. There's a lot of stuff it's doing. Oh, what's it doing? Very nice. No known security vulnerabilities found. It's testing the docs now as well. We probably only needed to do one thing. But wait, what did it actually say about it? Did it say there was like this -s, wasn't there? Nox -s name or multiple pipelines. Okay, yeah, so we only need to do one. So presumably that would be in the... Oh god, where would it be? That's actually a good point. Where would it be? Oh, it's down here. There you go. It's normally init.py. Okay. Interesting. Hikari, and then we want the PyTest one. So I guess we would just run PyTest next. God, there's a lot of stuff. My word. So we test. Oh my god. That's actually really fun. I think I did accidentally share a token on stream once, but I changed it like straight away. Okay, so this is... okay. So then we want to make this consistent as well. So you want to make it... Okay, that actually works the same. Whoops. That better be a fake token. Yeah, it does check GitHub repos. I think it automatically regens it. It doesn't remove it from the repo, but it regens the token for you. And I think there's somewhere else that does it as well now. Like if you share it... I think if you share it on Discord itself, it now does it. Well, apparently not, actually. You'd think they would add something like that, though, wouldn't you? Okay, so what would this... okay. I'm going to call it format for now. And that'll return a string. And then it'll return self.type.title plus self.name. Can anyone think of a better name than format? Because that seems a bit rubbish, really. Formats the activity to... You're about to send a valid token, ask you to double check. Oh, I see. That is a real token. Oh god, yeah, you probably want to regen that, honestly. Yeah, because if anyone gets your token, I'm pretty sure they can like add it into other servers potentially, or at least, well, they can at least construct the URL to do so. So if you didn't turn the public bot off, then you know people can make it join servers and then cause havoc in there, and then that gets blamed on you because you're the owner. So wait, do they do added in or whatever? Do they do that? Do they bother with that? I don't know, because it's dev releases. Yep. Returns the activity in I don't really know how to word the doc string, honestly. Oh, this uses the attrs. Yeah, I've got to work out what these do. I know I found out about these about a month or so ago, but I never really done anything with them. So I kind of need to work that out. Oh, that's the point. Oh yeah, thank you. I guess returns the activity as it appears on Discord. That works in string format. No, because that you could say that this does the same thing, but this specifically returns it as it appears on Discord, because you know you have streaming whatever. All of these are custom statuses. Hang on, let's raid myself. There we go. Playing IntelliJ. Yeah, so as you can see on here, it says playing IntelliJ thing. I mean, you sure on here it's just this, but you know, as it appears on Discord, and then do the same for the member presence. Whoops. Returns the. Thank you for the follow, Mr. Spar. Returns the primary activity. I guess it returns the first activity? The primary slash GUI, I suppose. Wait, what does it actually say? Used to represent the guild member's presence. You can fetch the user from the present. That's okay, that's interesting. Yeah, activities. All active user activities. You can assume the first activity is the one that the GUI Discord client will show. Okay. Returns the activity as it appears on, I guess we'll call the GUI Discord client then. Keep it consistent. I'll come up here on the. Did I forget the word the before as well? Oh no, I didn't. Yeah, returns the first activity in the presence. It returns the first activity as it appears on the GUI Discord. Is it? Get actually intercepted. So now this should pass the tests. No. And it should just do the PyTest one now. Although actually, what is that? What requirements does it actually have? So it has the speed up, it has the flight gate, it has the dev. The thing is, these dev requirements really should be what you install as the dev, not what the thing takes. Okay, all passed. Because you can see if you go to the top again, it installs. Oh, we've got to go right up. But it installs the dev requirements into the thing. Yeah, it installs the dev requirements in, which kind of isn't really what you would want. What does the test actually do? Just make sure everything's okay and everything comes out as expected. Oh, look at all this. Jesus. But that was successful. So that is a fine thing that I can PR in. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly go to the toilet. I'll extend the stream by 10 minutes, but I'm going to quickly go to the toilet because I really need it. And we'll come back and then I guess we'll try and get this integrated into the bot. We should be able to do that. And then we'll see if it works. So yeah, I will put ads on, but obviously only about like 2 people are gonna get them. So what is the point? I will also put a bit of text saying BRB. Not in Arial. Yeah, I've got to. I have to sort like a proper BRB screen out rather than just typing, you know, be right back on here. But you know, whatever, it's fine. Is that centered enough? That should probably go. Yeah, I'll put it below. And also make it a bit smaller. That seems really quite large. A bit too big. I don't know. It's 256 at the moment, dude. Are you serious? 128. There we go. That's a bit better. Be right back. Cool. So yeah, I'll see you back in a bit. I'm back. Boop. Boop. I don't know if all the ads would have ended for everyone, but yeah. So now what we want to do is we want to copy this folder into our bot and install that. So we want to get this up. We want to do, oh goodness, so ls. Okay, so we want to cp Hikari into, we want to do program / Carberra / planning / Hikari testing. Oh, God's sake. Okay. And now if we go, oops, Carberra planning / Hikari testing. If we go in here, we'll have, there we go, Hikari, and then we can do pi. We go pip install -u, and then I think if I just do Hikari, it'll work. It'll take this one. I think that's what happens. That's not what happens. How do you install a local one that isn't the same? Oh god. Or maybe it's like /Hikari. It might be /Hikari. Where's the terminal? There it is. Okay, that's a bit weird to me. Pip install -u /Hikari. Will that work? Hikari is not installable. Neither setup.py nor pyproject.toml were found. This is very true. Okay. So I've messed. What I've done there is I've messed it up, but it's fine. So it'd be cp-r program / playground / Hikari. Really? Oh yeah. Program / playground / Hikari, and then do all of that into here. And then it should work. So pip install -u /Hikari. Okay, that actually worked by the looks of things. Yeah, I think that worked. Nice. So now, okay, now we can. Is Visual Studio Code already open? It is. Do we want to open it again? Probably. I guess we're not. We'll just run the thing straight up. No, actually, we do want to open it again because we want to modify our code. So it'd be. Oh, grop. Ow. No, you definitely heard that one. So it'd be. That. And that should work. No module name light bulb. You what? Oh, because we're in the wrong venv, I think. Okay, yeah, we were in the wrong venv. Yeah, okay, cool. -UI. That's the I'm in the wrong server. I was thinking, oh, member presence and no attribute format. Are you having a bubble? Is that a phrase? I don't know if that's a phrase or not. I've had the grape. Stop whining at me. Does it have slots? It might have slots. I don't know. Am I not able to do that? Can I just not? Oh. Is it something to do with this Atra? Extensions with copies are fine. I'm gonna guess not. Okay, let's go in here and see what we've got. No, we want the venv. Lib, and then Hikari, and then presences, and it should be there. And it isn't. What? Why is it not there? Did I not save it or something? No, I definitely saved it. Why is it not there? It should be there. Surely. Also, what did I modify in the end? What? Apparently I modified these files. So I'm pretty sure I didn't. I have no idea. Welcome, John, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Yeah, I'm only going for about another 10 or so minutes, or maybe about 20 or so minutes anyway. Ooh, why did that not function though? Because it's definitely there. It's here, and then that just didn't install. Can't primary. Also, we are so close to 200 followers, I just realised. If anyone is watching and is enjoying the stream, then consider following. We are 4 away from 200. So it'd be really cool if we can get there. Why? Why is that not functioning? Match.field. Does it do we have to? Can we not extend it? But this should work. I'm guessing we just can't extend. Oh, for God's sake. Python Atra decorator. I guess it's like the Atra decorator. How does it work? Atras. There we go. Atra.s. Yeah, immutability to class. Is it? Frozen integer. Anyone tries to set an attribute? No, don't think so. Do you need to add it to a slot? I don't know if there is a slot. That was what I was looking for initially, but I don't think there is one. Because it should give you oh yeah, I suppose it would give you the same error. But I don't know. I think it's the way these Atras work. Basically. And I don't know if this would have. It would have actually. What class was it specifically that errored? Was it the other one? Oh, it was specifically the member presence. Okay, it just says it has no attribute. I think it's not even that because it just didn't install. I can go to it. This is the one in the venv currently without our format, and then this one is in here and it does have our format, and I have no idea why this one has it and the other one doesn't. Because surely it would. Right, which one is it that we want? Is it this one? Yeah. And we need to install it, reinstall it actually, don't we? That's you .hikari. It's installing the. We don't need to commit it because we're just copying a file. I don't know if I can edit it here. I might have to edit it here because for some reason that just is not functioning at all. I think I can edit it in the venv directly. I'm pretty sure it's just if it's in the program files you can't do it, but in the venv it should be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. And I hope it works, basically. Activity. The activity had it. The activity took it on. But the member presence just didn't. Oh no, the member presence has now. Oh, it installed properly this time. Okay, we can actually do it. I'm just blind. UI. Member presence has no attribute type. Oh, yeah. I'm dumb. 1 second, Mandando. Yeah, it is actually wrong. It'd be self dot. Okay, we do want a equals self dot class dot activities 0, and then we want a dot type and then a dot name instead, and then we want to CP that, and then we want to install it. There we go. And then we want to run it. Member descriptor object is not subscriptable. What? What do you mean it's not? Eh? God. Sequence rich activity. It's just what the hell? Okay, well, I'm guessing then that it's not self.class and it's just self.dot because of the way the attrs work. I'm going to presume anyway. I guess we'll see. So copy it and then reinstall it. I edited the wrong one. Fantastic. Okay, so copy it, reinstall it. I'm not having a massive mental breakdown, just a small one. It's manageable. There we go. It actually worked. It worked. Oh, but never mind. Non-type has no attribute for. Oh, it just breaks. What? What do you mean non-type has no attribute format? Oh, do you not have an activity? Like, at all? No, you don't. So it breaks if you don't have an activity. By the looks of things. What if I do... Hang on. What if I do... Fields cannot have empty string. So that just becomes empty. Oh no. That's not good. Has it shattered? Oh no, it hasn't. I guess you don't have an activity. Yeah, so custom activities it breaks. Standard activities it works. So it's something to do with the custom activity. I'm guessing something breaks in the formatter. This is a big old error. Okay, there we go. Invoke target. Non-type object has no attribute format. Right, so... Oh, because it just straight up returns none. Oh, so we need to do... That's something we can fix on our end. So we can do get attra target.presence format, and then we need to do bloody lambda again. No presence, and then just call that. I guess maybe have a property make it formatted. That would probably make more sense actually. Save you having to do this crap anyway. And then you could just have it like that, and then what you can do is you can go in here, turn this into a at property, and you wouldn't have to change any of that, I'm pretty sure. And then you copy it. Whoops. Close the bot down. Reinstall it. And then run it. And then, although it will be... there's a different error now. List index out of range. I see. But this one, it should still work. So that one still works fine. Now I've got a list index out of range error. So I guess... it'll just have to be if A, and then formatted returns, I guess, none. And then, oh, that means this one will be broken as well. So the presents just can be have no activities then. All right, see you later, John. Thanks for stopping by. So if, oh my god, self.activities. There isn't a get item in a list, is there? B, I guess. A equals self.activities. A equals, hang on. If if self.activities, there we go. Return else, I guess, like none. Because it's a string, so it has to. And this can just return none as well. So that needs to be... Can we do that? Oh, we can. They have actually imported it. Nice. Yeah, they've imported the future annotation, so we can just do that. Awesome. Even though they haven't used them anywhere else. I don't think. No, they legit haven't used them. Actually, I don't think you can use them here yet. I don't really remember. I'm trying to find somewhere. I don't think there really is anything. Actually, what's the users.user string? That's my one. Guilds.member. Okay, I'm just going to presume that they allow that for now because they've imported it. So, and then yeah, that returns. Yes, that should fix the problems there. I just realised I done it in the wrong bloody file again. Just copy paste this into here. It'll be fine. Everything will work properly. It'll be okay. We want to copy it. We want to reinstall it. And then we want to, oh, god damn it, man. And then we want to run it. It still breaks. Why? Why is it still broke? I'm presuming it's still errors somewhere. I know the formatter now doesn't error, but for some reason... for some reason it just still doesn't work. So target to present.formatted. Oh, no, wait. That's not right, because it will... I think it has to be this as well. I think. Try it now. I could probably just do that, can't I? List index out of range. Okay, back to drawing boards. Oh yeah, because it might not have a thing. Equals cells. Yeah, I guess we've got to do it like that then. A0 type A0.name. No, because we want to copy it, reinstall it. This is going to become a pattern, isn't it? And then run it. And then it should. So it should still work for me. It does. Oh my god, dude. This is ridiculous. Why does it just doesn't work? Okay, so should be returning. Okay, now I am having a mental breakdown. So it should be returning either string or none. So when there is a custom presence, no, when there is no presence, it returns just none. So this should be fine. So we're then checking to see if the presence is even applicable at all. If it is, then we get the formatted attribute. If it's not, we just get no presence. Okay, I'm just going to print something. I'm just going to start printing this out. Target.presence.formatted. And we're going to run it again. I'm going to run it first. Streaming Twitch. Okay. We try and use it on this guy. What does it return? It returns none. Okay, as expected. But it's now saying that we've got an empty string. And I don't know why. Because this should. So this will return none as well. It should do anyway. Well, no, it will. Okay, what it will do? Yeah, it will say. Okay, so that's working fine. And then that is returning none. Okay. So I'm guessing it's something wrong with that syntax, even though that should work. Okay, that continues to function. So I'm just like pinging you constantly right now. No What is going on? Fields 8.value cannot have empty string. It's not just not taking it properly. So I don't want to. I want this to return none because I feel like that is more kind of. I feel as though that's better to do. Is there any? I don't know. I'll have to look into it at some point. Unfortunately, the stream is coming to an end now. We ran out of time. I'll have to tinker with this at some point. See if I can get it to work. I really have no idea why that's not working though. Like genuinely not a clue. So if I do P here, I'll try this one last thing. If I do P here, and then I do just, you know, that's the wrong one. If I do value equals P here, oh my god, it still breaks. There is something wrong with this. For me, oops. For me it works fine, but for you it doesn't. Cannot hurt empty string. It's not an empty string though. It's single dash, not double. I screwed up. For you, it looks like it's doing it as well. With the custom status. I have no idea. I genuinely don't have a clue why that isn't working. I'll have to look at it and see, I guess, as to why that just is refusing to work. But for now, I need to the code. The code is it's not public at the moment. So the thing isn't either. This is the problem. If you wanna take a screenshot of this function and put it in your member presence, clone Hikari down and put it in your member presence, and then do like this, and no, not that one. This, and try and get this to work. Unfortunately, none of this is public at the moment. There's not much I can do about that. But yeah, I'd like to thank everyone for stopping by. Okay, I'll bring that back up for you. I'd like to thank everyone for stopping by the stream. Thank you to everyone that followed, and I will see you next Saturday, more than likely, for the next stream, which will probably be the web dev stuff again, since people still want that apparently. So yeah, I'll see you for that. Bye. Where's my mouse? There it is. Bye.